How to fix Discord offline mode. Today guys, I will show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have now to go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what's next is to go and open Spotify. When you found Spotify like this, go and click on storage option, then click on clear data, go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again, your Spotify, sorry. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you another video.